In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Passwords app and inputting your passcode. Then click on one of those sections to find your password that you wish to edit. Tap on the chosen one and click on Edit at the top right corner. Now you can change whatever you want to, and when you finish, hit Done, also at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!